Autodesk Factory Design Suite enables designers to insert factory assets from any 3D application in their native file format. Gone are the days of using translators such as iGestStep and Parasolid. Select from a number of native formats such as CATIA V4, V5, NX, ProEngineer, and SolidWorks. 3D models can be easily used as factory assets by selecting a landing surface, along with optional connectors for chaining equipment. They can then be stored in the factory library for future use in any building design. Factory owners and engineering service providers will find they can insert equipment from any supplier or OEM, regardless of the CAD application it's saved from. Machine designs such as the one you see here can either be added to the factory library or inserted directly into the machine design. When adding it to the library, it's a similar process of selecting a landing surface and saving it to the library. Back in the main assembly, we will take advantage of the assets that have been saved from any 3D format. They are simply dragged into position, connectors can be easily used to chain the assets, and all the assets are automatically positioned to the floor without the need to specify manual relationships in the assembly. Once the assets have been placed, the designer has the ability to sync to a 2D environment. Factory Design Suite has been developed to work in both 2D and 3D environments seamlessly. The factory assets that are saved can be dragged in as a 2D or 3D object. Take for example the jib crane that you see here open from SolidWorks. After the landing surface has been selected and saved, we can use it in the 2D drawing or 3D assembly. Here you will see the 2D representation of the jib crane used in this building. These 2D assets can be quickly and easily patterned for multiple instances. Also take advantage of the assets created in Factory Design Suite. Conveyors can be added to the design simply by selecting line segments that you see here, as well as the fence. When the design is synced back in the 3D environment, you'll notice the straight and curved conveyors have been added along with the fence and jib crane series. Watch how conveyors are added to the main assembly. They can take advantage of the connectors for easily establishing relationships. They also have built-in intelligence to recognize the size of the previous conveyor as well as the height to the floor. And finally, the width of the conveyors can be changed using variants. Notice all the assets that are connected will follow suit. As you can see, Factory Design Suite is the standard for factory layouts using equipment that has been designed in any 3D application.